A surprise visitor. Once upon a time, in a small village nestled between green hills, there lived a young girl named Emily. Emily loved to explore the woods that surrounded her village. Every day after school, she would rush home, drop her bag, and head straight for the woods. One sunny afternoon, as Emily was wandering through the trees, she stumbled upon a hidden path she had never noticed before. Curious, she followed it deeper into the forest. Suddenly, she heard a rustling noise behind a bush. "Who's there?" Emily called out nervously. To her surprise, a small, fluffy rabbit hopped out from behind the bush. Its fur was a beautiful shade of brown, and its eyes sparkled with curiosity. "Hello there," said Emily with a smile. "What's your name?" The rabbit twitched its nose and replied, "I'm Benny. What's yours?" "I'm Emily," she replied. "What are you doing out here all alone?" Benny explained that he had gotten separated from his family while exploring the woods. He had been trying to find his way back home ever since. Emily felt sorry for Benny and decided to help him. Together, they searched high and low, hopping over fallen logs and ducking under branches. After what felt like hours, they finally stumbled upon a clearing where Benny's family was waiting anxiously. Benny's family was overjoyed to see him safe and sound. They thanked Emily for her kindness and invited her to join them for a delicious feast of wild berries. As the sun began to set, Emily bid farewell to her new friends and made her way back home. She couldn't stop smiling, knowing that she had made a new friend and helped reunite a family. From that day on, Emily and Benny remained the best of friends, exploring the woods together and sharing many more adventures. And whenever Emily felt lonely, she knew she could always count on her furry friend to brighten her day. And so, in the heart of the forest, an unlikely friendship blossomed, proving that sometimes the greatest adventures are found in the company of friends.